From the Dean's, Secretary's Office, and Library.
Tis the season for that perfect tie that Dad will only ever wear once.
Tis the season for the perfect family portrait, even if most of us just grin and bear it.
Tis the season to gather together for dinner, hoping we don't choke on another bitter pill.
Tis the season for spending time with one another, although we'll probably spend more on gifts.
This time of year is synonymous with family.
You could be thinking about them,
Thinking you're just like them.
thinking you don't know them,
Maybe even looking for a way to get away from them. But no matter how you feel about them, we try to show our love, or in some cases, a little tolerance.
the question is, what will you do when Christmas has passed and you're allowed to escape for another year?
Your options are clear. You can just get by, or learn what it looks like to love your family, no matter the time of year.
After all,
Tis the season.
Ay, lungkot naman ang ating kapasuhan. Matagal na natin sila hindi nakakasama.
Oo nga, friend. Gusto ay sila ang makasama ang ating mga kapamilya, kapatid, at kaibigan.
go reindeers, go reindeers!
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. Narinig ko ang hiling ninyong dalawa. Gumising kayo. Bangon, mga... Dadalhin ko kayo sa ibang lugar para makita nyo ang ibang mga Pasko.